Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to sign up for Joom application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, in order to sign up with Joom, make sure to download the Joom application on your device. Once you download the app, launch it open, and this will be the main homepage of Joom. From the main homepage, tap on the human icon at the bottom right-hand corner. Now, click on the login button at the top and then select one of the login options from the screen. You can go ahead and select Facebook, Google, Apple, or email option to continue signing up or logging into the account. I'm gonna choose the email option. Simply go ahead and select one of the options and tap on the sign out button at the bottom of the screen. Now, enter your first name, last name, email address, password on the page. First of all, go ahead and enter your first name and then type in your last name on the next field. Now enter a valid email address for yourself in the email tab and create a strong password for your account in the password field. Once you type in your password, confirm the password by retyping it again on the next field. Finally, tap on sign up. You can also enter your birthday information. If you don't want to do that, you can also skip the option and then tap sign up. Now, once you are done, you'll be able to sign up for a new account, and there you have successfully created a profile for yourself. Enter the rest of the information such as your birthday and tap save and get started shopping with Joom. So that was how you can easily sign up for a Joom account, where you can easily go ahead and access to special offers, discounts, or promotions that may be available within the app while you shop with it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.